Welcome to the YouTube channel for day 269. This was the 26th of May, 2023, a Friday. So I took my daughter to school. It was the last day of school, last day of the year here in Florida. So that was a very good time. And then I also worked on books, worked on Remote Wellness Academy, worked on insurance, and then picked up my wife and other daughter, and we all had dinner. So productive day, long day, but very busy at the airport. Just couldn't find a parking spot. We finally had found one, but it took a lot. So anyway, this is Memorial Day weekend, and my gratitude goes out to everybody who's made the ultimate sacrifice in defense of our country. So undying gratitude toward those who have paid the ultimate sacrifice on this Memorial Day weekend. To the people who've served in the military and those who have made the ultimate sacrifice. It's like all gave some, but some gave all. Thanks very much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know your thoughts, and I will talk to you tomorrow.